Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to clear your entire call log on WhatsApp. Whether you're tidying up your app or maintaining privacy, this quick process will help you remove all call records in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once the app launches, you'll see the main interface with tabs for chats, status, and calls. Tap on the Calls tab, which is represented by a phone icon. This will take you to your call history, displaying all your recent voice and video calls. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu, select Clear Call Log. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete all call history. This step ensures that no accidental deletions occur. Finally, tap OK to confirm. Within seconds, your entire WhatsApp call log will be cleared. All incoming, outgoing, and missed calls will be permanently removed from the app. And that's it. You've successfully decluttered your WhatsApp by clearing the entire call log. It's a quick and effective way to keep things organized and maintain your privacy. Thank you for following along.